What's the most messed up thing you've seen at a friend's house? A coworker invited a few people over for drinks after work. She had 2 kids and mentioned she had recently gotten 2 kittens for them, who were 3 and 5 years old. The kids ran around grabbing and dragging the kittens, and later the coworker put the kittens away. She then complained about how the kids and the kittens were too much, and how she directly regretted taking the kittens in. I heard constant meowing and asked if they were okay. She says, "Oh shit, I didn't feed them." Now we both worked at a breakfast restaurant, worked all day, and had been sitting for a few hours by this point in the evening. I followed her to the room she put them in, and you couldn't see the floor, covered in clothes, and the smell, as you can imagine, was that of a full-room cat litter box. Poor things were locked in their own poop and pee, hungry, with the lights off. I asked if she would consider letting me take them. She agreed, and I came early the next morning to take them both. I've had them for 7 years now.